portfolio. So this is for beginners or for those of you who have been wanting to get into video editing, like freelance video editing, but you don't know where to start because you don't have any portfolio. May comment akong natanggap sa TikTok ko na parang gusto kong mag-edit, gusto kong matutunan mag-edit, pero wala akong mai-edit. And I highly relate to you. Ganyan din ako dati. Parang di ko talaga alam paano ako magsisimula. Saan ako magsisimula? Kasi gusto kong magka-client, pero wala akong maipapakita. Kasi yun nga, beginner pa ako. So, this is gonna be a part 2 series kasi kulang talaga yung 3 minutes. I'm dividing this into 2. So anyway, let's get to it. A little background about me. Kasi matagal na akong mahilig talaga ako sa photography, videography. So, matagal na akong may sarili kong camera. So, if you are like me na may sarili din kayong camera, then why not shoot your own videos? So, for me, during the pandemic, ginawa ko rin yung way na parang magsimula na ng channel ko kasi matagal ko na rin gustong magsimula ng sarili kong YouTube channel. So, that was also a way for me to practice kasi nag-e-edit ako ng sarili kong video. So, because of that, mabilis kong natutunan yung software. In fact, parang in just 2 months of, continuously editing every day or almost every day, parang, yun nga, nagka-client June, July, tas nagka-client agad ako during mid-August, which I would say parang, siguro din leverage kasi, yun nga, matagal na akong I already knew how to edit previous softwares like Sony Vegas, iMovie. So, medyo hindi na ako nahirapan mag-adapt to Premiere Pro. Although, medyo mahirap pa rin kasi, yun nga, it's very comprehensive kasi yun nga, professional software siya. But, yun, mag-shoot kayo ng sarili niyong videos. Hindi naman kailangan na kailangan DSLR talaga. Like, especially kung may phone ka. Syempre, may phone ka, diba? So, maganda naman yung mga phone, like camera phone qualities now. So, take advantage of that. Like, so anyway, it's just for practice. Para lang masanay kayong mag-edit. So, shoot your own videos, gawa kayo ng vlog or whatever. Just so you have something to practice on. So, yeah, that's my tip number 1. I'm gonna make a separate video for tip number 2. So, yeah. Okay, so let's talk